So this is a morning video that doesn't have anything private and confidential on it because this is our own account. This is our own tested device. So we have Cole Wild here, and Cole is testing this equipment. That is our own inventory. So we can show off a bunch of stuff here that we don't want to show off about the digital side. So what you're looking at is Cole's brought the outdoor grade LED panel to Vancouver, and he's getting it set up for a live event he's going to be doing in East Vancouver in the next hour or two. So let's do a recap here, everybody. Number one, sign 2619 is online. It's been up for 7 minutes. Cole, do you want to explain how easy that was for you to set this up?
Yeah, for sure. So I've gone through a little bit of training, and it was pretty straightforward setting it up. I just daisy chained all of the power cables to all of the screens to one another. I laid them out here on the floor. I simply plugged in the power control box for the digital screen, reset the computer on the SAM computer, made sure the power box was set to HDMI, and just set up my mobile hotspot on my phone. Just turned it on. I have that set up to the ENS network and password set to ENS device go ! And I was thinking maybe I'd have to do something else, but it all just fired right on, and all my content's being uploaded right now. So I'm going to start editing it in real time.
So in short, you followed the steps that could be on a one-page instruction letter pretty simply. And now you're confident that you're running an outdoor grade LED panel and you are able to have the network operations center.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So this dashboard here is your account in SAM. So if you're starting off in the morning here, what you do is step one, you check on the status of your sign. We can see that it's been online for 9 minutes, and Cole's not at his own location. He's working on the road, and he's actually just tethered to his cell phone right now. Understood, everybody? Okay, so sign 2619.
I am on Wi-Fi.
Yeah, so sign 2619 is online. Click in layouts. Now, do you know the password for the Wi-Fi there at the location that you're at?
I do.
You don't have to tell it to us in this video, but we're going to do again a recap and training from the other day, everybody. So if Cole was a client out in the field, we would give him the instructions of how to turn on hotspot, your cell phone, with these special instructions. The device would come online. You would then click on the device, and under network here, you would be able to see the nearby access points. So, like a lot of clients will be in a place where he's like, I'm pretty sure the Wi-Fi is this, but do you know what it is? Pickle and Peanut, Audrey's, what's the Wi-Fi that you're going to connect
to? You broke up a bit there, Jeremiah. What did you say?
Which Wi-Fi do you want to connect to their location?
I'm connected to Audrey's.
Okay, so I'm making a Wi-Fi profile for Audrey's. You don't have to give me the password right now, okay?
Okay.
So change this after. Click on save. And what we're going to do is we're going to move that sign over to Audrey's. So it's now on the Audrey's. Okay.
Sorry, I just I'm looking for the Zoom window. Are you doing
sharing my screen?
Are you doing that right now?
Yep.
Yeah, I really want to see that.
Yep, no problem. We're going to stop video at this. That's okay. We're going to stop video at this fully. Okay. Because Paul's going to be able to see the video of what we did. Okay. So stop video with that. You please post that back up to ENS port. That's really what this is Network Operations Center support live. Okay. Thank you, sir.